If your Chevy Traverse is leaving you stranded, don't panic. Most starting issues on these SUVs follow a very predictable pattern. Nearly half of all no-start calls for the Traverse are due to a failing battery or loose terminal connections. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find out exactly why your engine isn't turning over. Before you grab tools, verify the basics like your gear position and the battery inside your key fob. If you hear a single click when you turn the key, your starter motor is likely the primary suspect. Corrosion on the ground strap is a frequent issue for older Traverse models, blocking the flow of power. Simple cleaning and jumping are DIY friendly, but fuel delivery issues usually require a professional mechanic. Budgeting for the fix is easier when you know that a battery is cheap, while a fuel pump can be pricey. If you're stuck, tapping the starter with a tool can sometimes unstick the internal brushes for one last start. Keep a basic socket set and a digital multimeter handy to make these diagnostic steps much faster. Never forget safety, block your wheels, and use jack stands before you ever go under the car. Identify the click, check your voltage, and you'll have your Chevy Traverse running again in no time.